All right, today we're gonna learn how to repair a bike. The first thing we need to do is we need to make some room. So,
do you think anybody noticed that you have braces? Isn't that weird? Or like kind of...
what braces? All right, we're going to fix the brakes on it because brakes should work properly and these ones don't. I think it's because there's air in the line. I need to set up a bike stand. What are you doing? Okay, I'm just gonna take that away from you, Dudley, because you probably don't need to eat plastic right now. There. I think the hardest thing that we're gonna have to do is bleed the brakes. We're also gonna... Okay, no. Nope. There. Okay. We're gonna have to bleed the brakes, and I also wanted to do a general tune-up and just clean the bike because this is atrocious. I bought a brake bleed kit. There we go. They come with instructions. Heating the hose by electric hairdryer is not a favor to assemble. Plan B is, I guess we could just Google how to do it.
In this video, we're going to show you how to bleed a Shimano hydraulic disc
Okay.
brake. So if you're not 100% confident in what you're doing, we would recommend taking it to a professional bike mechanic. Try to make sure that everything is as clean as possible.
It is extremely clean. So we take one of these. Okay. There. Now, Cody, if you could hand me a rubber band. I'm just joking. Heroin jokes are never funny. Now, where is the valve to undo on here? Do I have to take like the brakes off or something? I think I'll have to Google how to remove brake pads on a bike.
This is how to replace your disc brake pads. We're going to walk you step by step through the removal and installation process.
Okay.
Regardless of your bike or disc brake style, we've got you covered.
Huh, I got it. All right.
Pull the pads out the top.
There. Brake pads.
Some pads require
Now that I've removed those, I can go back to the other video.
Now I've got pistons pushed back into the caliper.
Okay.
Fit this bleed block.
Wait, a bleed block? There's a Lego, like a brick remover. That might work. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Oh, a bleed block. It came with one. I feel kind of stupid. So he says that you have to turn something with a wrench. I don't understand.
So using your 7mm spanner, just give that an eighth of a turn so that opens up.
Oh, what opens up? You know that thing that you do sometimes where you're like, I can do it, and then as soon as you start doing it, then you realize that you can't? I am a piece of garbage. No, it's true. We had a weird audio issue at this point where the mic stopped working, and by weird audio issue, I mean I forgot to change the batteries, and it's my fault. And I was very upset when I brought the video into my editing software. I was like, oh no, that sucks. So I thought, well, I'm creative. I can figure out different ways to make it funny. So I tried so many different things. I tried like dubbing different languages over it. I even got so desperate for it to be funny that I pretended that the house was burning down while I was dubbing over it. So instead of making you sit through like 10 more minutes of really crappy audio, I just present to you a summation of what happened. Dudley, leave it alone. Don't do it, Dudley. Don't walk away with that plastic piece that I need, Dudley. Don't take it
Oh, it's
outside.
doing it.
Yeah. It's gone. It's not going down. Help me, Cody. So now what do? Oh no. Apparently it's bad to have brake fluid on your brakes. Dudley, drop it. Come on, here. Please don't eat this. The bottle says that if you eat it, it can cause lung damage. Ow. Ow. I don't understand how this works. This goes all the way now. That's not... Maybe I just need to... What's going on here? There's no more pressure than there was before. Can you stop barking? I know, I'm upset too. My brakes don't work as well as they should be, and I didn't do it right. So, what are you doing? Basically what happened after this is I took my bike to a bike shop, a real bike shop, and I was like, hey, my brakes don't work for some weird reason. Do you think you can fix them? And they're like, yeah, they probably just need a brake bleed. And they called me later that day and they were like, hey, so it turns out that you have brake fluid all over your rotors and your calipers. And we need to replace your entire brake system. And I was like, oh, dang. So that was a net loss, I would say. If you like this video, please subscribe. If I don't get 200 subscribers by the end of the month, then then Dudley's gonna keep barking, and that's kind of annoying. Please hurry. Excuse me.